This is Roar to Success, episode number 1. For number 1, it says 37 times 6. So for us to do this one, let's write 37 on the top and then 6 below. And we just need to multiply these two factors. 7 times 6 is 42. So we carry the 4 up top. 6 times 3 is 18. Add 4 is 22. So our final product is 222. For number 2, it says select the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to that correctly completes each comparison. So we have 2 and 5 tenths, and then we have 2 and 4 tenths. So 25 is greater than 24. So the alligator eats the 2 and 5 tenths. For the second one is 1 and 6 tenths versus 1 and 9 tenths. In this case, 19 tenths is greater than 16 tenths. For the third one, it is 10 and 5 tenths versus 10 and 2 tenths. And obviously 10 and 5 tenths is greater. For number 3, it says Jeff used mental math to find the product of $8.79 times 4, but he made a mistake. His steps are shown below. So he rounded $8.79 to $9, and you can do that. That makes sense. So step 1 is okay. Then he took the $9 that he estimated times 4, and that gave him 36. That is also correct because 9 times 4 is 36. For step 3, he subtracted $9 with $8.79 and he got $21. That is his mistake right there. So when you do $9 and you take away $8.79, there's no way you'll get $21. So that is going to be his mistake. So which step did Jeff make his first mistake? The answer would be step number 3. It shouldn't be anywhere close to $21. What was supposed to be is 21 cents, not $21.